What are you making? Oh, hello.
Oh, it is.
Hi.
We are about to embark on a culinary delight.
Ooh, shrimp. Artichoke. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. Yum. Kitchen Kabaret, vol.7.
We have some shrimp, some seafood. Have you prepared a song for seafood night?
Why, yes I have.
Why, of course you have.
Why, of course I have.
What song is it?
Ooh, yummy, yummy.
What song is it?
Right, take the camera and I'll show you.
Okay, well.
The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea. What is this? Under the sea. Darling, it's sweeter down where it's neater. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day. Out in the sun they slave away. Darling, it's sweeter down where it's neater. Under the sea. Ow!
Very nice. Not bad for seafood night.
Thank you.
Well,
I'm hungry.